Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Daniela Ruiz Lemus and this is a video of pronunciation of vowels, diphthongs and consonants and a presentation of the tongue twister. Okay, vowels. E, as in fish, fish. E, as in green, green. O, as in put, put. U, as in blue, blue. E, as in sand, sand. As in pollen, pollen. As in girl, girl. O, as in flower, flower. As in map, map. Up, as in lunch, lunch. As in hard, hard. O, as in rock, rock. Okay, thank you. Okay, these are the tones. E, as in near, near. As in care, care. Wa, as in sure, sure. Ow, as in flower, flower. O, as in phone, phone. A, as in face, face. I, as in sky, sky. Oi, as in toy, toy. Thank you. Okay, these are consonants. Thus, as in buff, buff. Thus, as in story, story. Bath, as in voice, voice. Ra, as in right, right. Sha, as in she. Ja, as in garage. Sha, as in wash. Je, as in juice. Noch, as in king. Ha, as in holiday, holiday. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, for finish, this is tongue twister. Okay, this is fun and it is difficult for me. Let's go. She's the holiday story queen. She told a story about walking in the garage who watched Bob Holiday go right. Loved his boys drinking juice all night. Thank you so much. See you later. Hello, good evening. This is a consonant correction. Okay. Th, th, as in thing. The, as in father. Thank you.